Hi friends, we're finally here to put on some new tires. We'll see how this goes. I'm so glad you have the guard, because the people who did my truck scratched all the inside of my wheels with this piece. So my truck has scrapes in every spot on all the wheels. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Yeah, these pieces I saw from under my car. I saw it move. I do need to wash my wheels. These are the Hoosier Track Attack Pros. So hopefully these will do the job. Back. About time.
My muscles are getting bigger.
I did it. strong. Wow. Nice. Ooh.
About 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, I got rock chips from the track. For sure on this thing. I said I definitely got rock. Say it comes like in a pre-cut sheet. So like you can see like there's like slits here where it's like it comes ready. And then down here, look, it caught because the wind coming this way. He said to get a razor blade and just like line it. I just haven't cared. You don't see that. When it's on the ground, you don't see that, so. And then when I put my lid back on, okay. Should have been dead on a Sunday morning, thing in my head. Ta-da! Oh, I about ate shit. Damn. So my buddy Lauren is helping me put my tires on currently, and this is what he drives like almost every day. And then his daily is a Tesla. Tell me you're cool without telling me you're cool. What's even funnier is he has a car seat for his daughter to ride with him. Big shout out to Lauren for helping me, and then also a big shout out to Hunter at Cat Motorsports for the tires. Lauren's shop is like really cool inside. He has like all these cool artifacts inside. And then he used to also have a GTR. Cool gal. So now my camera's dying. I hope I can get some clips, but I need to go get an alignment because I do know it was wearing that front right tire on the inside. So I'm gonna go get that taken care of, and then hopefully we can go do some pulls. So I went to 2 different shops to see if I can get an alignment on the car, and the first one said my car was too low, and then the second one also said that they don't do lowered cars. So I guess we'll figure it out. It's like the day before Christmas, so I can't get any pulls in. There's too much traffic. So I guess we'll end it off with a clean car at least. You see the rubber, my last tires were leaving all over the car. I definitely need a new tire. Oh my, it's all the way up on my quarter panel. There's just rubber everywhere. Damn, like, if you haven't ceramic coated your wheels, like, this is a sign, because it's just cake work cleaning my wheels now. I mean, no one talks about it, but it's definitely like something different, just like coming out of your shell and kind of doing things for yourself. And you know, like goes for like building a car, picking a hobby. I think it takes a lot in a person to come out of usually who they are and decide to do something for themselves. So if you did that this year, I'm proud of you. If no one else told you, I'm proud of you. Okay, this bitch is clean now, so let's finish rinsing her off, dry her, and I will finish this off with some beautiful clips. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the tires get put on. Hopefully I will have some videos out soon of doing some pulls and taking some good turns in this car finally. For now, this week is where everyone is coming down to Florida and wanting to visit their families, so the traffic is horrible right now. I don't want to put anyone else in danger. I don't want to put myself in danger. I want to be safe as possible, of course, so we can hold off for now. But I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!